Make pineapple syrup. Pineapple syrup is something that you can make to add to pancakes, waffles, drinks and marinades. You should try to make this recipe if you want to have a sweet and tropical taste to your foods. You can purchase pineapple syrup from the grocery store, but you can also make your own pineapple syrup at home, so that you can save more money. Find out how to make pineapple syrup by following this recipe. Ingredients that you need. The ingredients that you need for this pineapple syrup recipe are an egg, white sugar, and pineapple juice. You also need to prepare a large cooking pot and canning jars. Try to get the freshest and ripest pineapple from the market for the best tasting pineapple syrup. If pineapple is not in season, you can use canned pineapple juice instead. Prepare and measure the ingredients. Measure 4 cups of pineapple juice from the pineapples that you bought. You can strain the pineapple juice first to get rid of pineapple chunks or fibers. Crack an egg and separate the egg white from the egg yolk. You only need the egg white for this recipe. Measure 6 cups of the white sugar. Cook the syrup. Prepare your cooking pot and add 2 cups of cold water. Bring the water to a boil. While waiting, get your egg white and beat it slightly. Combine the egg white with the sugar and then add it to the water in the cooking pot. Stir while you are adding the ingredients. Lower the heat to medium and stir the mixture until all the sugar has dissolved in the liquid. Once the sugar has dissolved, continue the boiling for another 10 minutes. Remember to stir the mixture every once in a while. After 10 minutes, add the pineapple juice to the mixture and let it boil again. Cool the pineapple syrup. After cooking the pineapple syrup, remove the cooking pot from the stove and allow the mixture to completely cool. This may take about half an hour or so. Remove the thin film on top of the mixture if it appears after cooling. Store the pineapple syrup. You can place the pineapple syrup inside the canning jars once it is completely cool. Just pour the mixture in the jars but do not fill it up to the top. Leave about an inch of space and then place the lid over the jar. Store the pineapple syrup inside the refrigerator. You have to consume the pineapple syrup within a month. If you want the syrup to last longer, you can seal the jars by submerging them in a hot water bath for about 10 minutes. Afterwards, you can store the pineapple syrup jars in your pantry and it can last for up to a year. Once opened, store the pineapple syrup in the refrigerator. You can prepare pineapple syrup and give it away during the holidays to your friends and family. Just add a ribbon and a gift tag on the jars and label them.